another mattress, another sheet set. We're here for a dance workshop. Galahad is helping me. Come on, Ziek. Hi, Jess. She's wearing my shirt. I love you. That is the cutest. Okay, but can we first appreciate your fit? Cause like, oh, this one though.
That one. This one.
We were at a Best Buy and Zeke just would not depart from this thing. He wanted it so bad, so I got it for him. It's time to wrap it up. That looks pretty good. Wrap that up. I think Zeke will like that.